Hello! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, sky blue color, purple color, dark green color, dark blue color, violet color, orange color, brown color, red color. Today we are learning A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Purple color. A for apple. Red color. B for banana. Black color. C for candy. Sky blue color. D for dragon. Dark green color. E for elephant. Yellow color. F for fox. Brown color. G for goat. Black color. H for hat. Violet color. I for iron. Orange color. J for jug. Purple color. K for king. Sky blue color. L for lemon. Yellow color. M for mango. Light green color. N for net. Dark blue color. O for ox. Black color. P for pineapple. Purple color. Q for queen. Dark green color. R for rainbow. Light green color. S for star. Orange color. T for tree. Dark blue color. U for uniform. Sky blue color. V for violin. Brown color. W for watermelon. Black color. X for X-ray. Red color. Y for yak. Violet color. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.